Hello and welcome back to my channel Prosperity. This is your boy John and I welcome back to my channel. So this is the sixth video of my channel. In today's video we are just going to review Merrill Edge website. As you all know that we are always reviewing the websites in my way. Like I always try my best to give you a high end level review on my channel Prosperity. So this is a website. Merrill Edge is a stock and trading related investment website actually. So you can see Merrill Guide Investing Online, and they are like investing minimum for growth like $1,000 or 50,000 is a minimum for income. Like $0 fees program fee for 6 months for new enrollments. If you are the new person, then you don't have to pay any single dollar, right? And basically they are showing their like, so you can say the purchases get even more with bank, right? 20K to 50K, 1 million to like $0 fees program for 6 months. Basically the website belong from the America. Okay, that's good. And they have three social platforms like YouTube or Twitter or LinkedIn. Basically all the website are having that things. Okay, how you can create account? Click on the open account, then you will see this new page like help me get started, show me all account. If you click on the show me all accounts, so then you can see individual brokerage account or like multiple accounts you have. Okay, so general account, most common account, retirement account. General account we have individual brokerage account, joint brokerage account, and many other. Okay, so you can visit this website, and if you get the things what you actually needed right now to invest, if you have money and you want to invest on website, so you can visit one time after watching my full video, right? There are multiple accounts as I said. Which one you select, just click on the open now, then you will on that page to create your own account on same platform, right? On Merrill Edge. That's great. I am always having this type of reviews on my channel because I like the person who belong from the prosperity. Like if you are the new person, so you don't know what I'm actually doing in the last videos, you will, if you want to watch, then you can, then you will know that what we are actually providing right now on prosperity. Prosperity is not just a name, it's a trust for the those who are trusting on us, right? So we have multiple accounts, as I told: education account, small business account, retirement account, general account, and most common accounts. Like if you had a experience on these websites, so you know that what account for what. So like you will know easily like which account is for what things, for what purpose, and each and everything. Open an account is easy, like for help you need to answer that things. I have a Merrill user ID account and password. I have a Bank of America user ID and password. I am a new client, or I prefer to skip this step for now. So you can click here and being application your application with begin, and you will see this thing personal information. You need to put your personal information. Basically actually what they are asking to you, you have to put it right now, right? That's great. Like name, state, birthday, age, and everything, like etc. You have to put etc, etc, and etc. Then you will on your account. Right now you don't have any account. If you want to create your retirement account or a small account, a small business account, and you have a business, so you have to click on these things. On these account you will create your one of the best account for your small business, right? Okay, I hope you got it my points. I always try to give the best thing to level up for my viewers who are watching me, because you are watching me, that's why you're trusting me, so that's why I need to give you the organic things, best thing to the persons who are waiting for my video. Basically this is totally interface of this website. In this website we have what we find multiple accounts on Merrill Edge online investment and stock trading brokerage. You can find this website just by searching. Okay, and get up $75 when you invest in a new small account. First they are providing 600, but now they are providing 750 dollars. Right, I hope you got it my point. Have a good day. Have a good day, and thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe. Prosperity. Bye bye.